What if you could build a Shopify online store in just a few minutes without designing the website, setting everything up from scratch, or even choosing the products? In this video, I'm testing Build Your Store, a free AI store builder that takes your store idea and turns it into a ready-to-customize Shopify store, complete with a niche, design, and proven hot-selling products already added, ready to start taking orders once you publish. So if you've been wondering how to build an online store with AI or how to start a Shopify store faster, this is the walkthrough for you. To get started, click the link in the description to sign up. Using that link gives you a special intro offer. From here, you'll just create your account. It takes a few seconds, and once you're in, it immediately walks you into the setup process. What's nice here is you're not starting from scratch. It's actually guiding you step by step through building the store. So the first thing you'll see is choosing your store niche. This is basically deciding what type of products you want your store to focus on. You've got a few options here. And if you're not completely sure, there's also an option that helps you decide based on recommendations. For this demo though, I'll go with pets. This is a pretty popular niche and works well for testing different products. Next, you'll be asked to choose a couple of homepage banners. These banners are what shape the initial design of your store. So things like the overall look, the branding, and how your homepage feels when someone lands on it. I'll just pick a couple from here. And again, none of this is locked in. You can always go back and customize everything later inside Shopify. Now, this is where your actual store starts getting built inside Shopify. So here, you'll either log into your Shopify account or create a new one. If you're new, just go through the sign up process. It's pretty straightforward. They also usually have a low-cost trial running for the first few months, but that can change over time. So check out the link in the pinned comment and description below to get the best seasonal discount available via my link only. Once you're inside Shopify, what you want to do is copy your store URL from the top, then come back to build your store and paste that URL here to connect everything together. This step basically links both platforms so the store can be generated properly. After that, you'll go through the Shopify plan setup. Just follow the steps, fill in your details, and once that's done, you can head back and continue. Next step is connecting AutoDS. This is more of the automation side of things. It helps with importing products, handling orders, fulfillment, tracking, and basically managing the back end of your store. For now, you don't need to go too deep into it. Just install the app, create your account, and connect it to Shopify. That's enough to get everything working properly. Once everything is connected, you can go ahead and publish your store. So we'll just open it up, and this is what we get. Now right away, you can see this isn't just an empty template. The store already comes with banners, product sections, testimonials, a contact form, footer, everything is already structured. It actually looks like a proper ready-to-use store from the beginning. So instead of building everything piece by piece, you're starting with something that's already put together for you. If we go into the product catalog, you'll see products have already been added based on the niche we selected earlier. So again, you're saving a lot of time here. You don't have to manually research products or build listings from scratch. Let's open one of these products. And this is what the product page looks like. So everything here is already structured. You've got product images, pricing, compare it pricing, variants. There are bundle deals already set up, trust badges for credibility, testimonials, and a clean product description broken into sections. So let's just take a look at all the details here, full screen. You can see how everything is laid out clearly, and it already feels like a polished product page without needing extra setup. Let's go ahead and open another product as well. And again, you can see a similar structure here. The images are already placed nicely, the pricing is set up, and you've got those same conversion-focused elements like bundles, trust badges, and descriptions. So it's consistent across the entire store, which is really important. You've also got a contact option here, so customers can reach out if they have any questions about the product or their order. So overall, a lot of the heavy lifting is already done for you. Now, one thing that can make these product pages even more effective is adding short product videos. For example, using tools like CreateUGC, you can generate AI-based product videos that showcase your product in a much more engaging way. These videos can be added directly to your product pages, and they also work really well for ads or social media content. So instead of just relying on images and text, you're giving people a much better sense of how the product actually looks and works. And you can watch the video in the card above for a full breakdown on how to use CreateUGC. Once everything looks good, you can continue with the setup. And from here, you also have the option to secure a free .store domain for your site. This is free for the first year, and if the name you want isn't available, you'll get suggestions that you can choose from. After selecting your domain, you'll create an account for it and connect it to your Shopify store. Just keep in mind, domain connection can take some time to fully activate. And that's pretty much the full process, from choosing your niche to having a fully structured store ready to go. On top of that, you also get access to a full step-by-step training course. This course is over 16 hours long and covers everything you need to know from setting up your store properly to finding products, running ads, and scaling. So if you're completely new, it gives you a clear path to follow and helps you become much more confident with the entire process. So instead of spending hours trying to figure everything out yourself, this gives you both the store and the knowledge to actually make it work. As mentioned before, check out the link in the pinned comment and description below to get the best seasonal discount. Watch this video next to see how CreateUGC turns products into AI avatar ads ready for your product page. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you there.